What's up, gang? Welcome back to Talk to episode 2 of Five Nights at Gooners. Because I love to goon. Guys, did I tell this already that I love gooning? Okay, let's get started with second night. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah! Let's do this. Now, the second night is never usually that bad in any of the games. Oh my god, it's the Yapper again. Yapatron. Let's do this.
You have one new message.
Boombook lad dog.
Hello?
Rustic lad dog. Might be
See?
loved.
I told you you'd do just fine. Anyway, I thought I'd mention, we have this little, list of, problems, that we have observed with the animatronics over some time. It's nothing to be concerned about.
Jolly individual.
The animatronics
Oh yeah.
do have
Oh yeah.
minor glitches. We're of course trying to get them fixed, but you should know some of them so you don't get
How about you fix me instead,
nervous
huh?
if you hear anything. Let me see. The animatronics sometimes start to walk around on their own. Sometimes in the morning we find them
Woman.
in the strangest
Rustic
places.
lad dog.
So you may
Where is
see
the
them
rustic
walking
lad
around.
dog? There's the rustic lad dog at the Diddy party. Once
Some of
again.
their sensors are a bit wonky.
Baby oil bottle. Missed
and
your
in
ass.
case the animatronics is experiencing violence towards a guest, the animatronic will try to seek out the cause and stop it. I have no idea.
It's gonna
how it
whoop your
decides
ass.
to do that, but it doesn't seem to mind it with the children, though. It's weird. If there are children playing cops and robbers, and one of them gets shot,
Shot.
the animatronics don't really.
It's always a
do
black man
anything
getting
ordinary.
shot. Fuck.
Except after that
Oh
day,
my god.
the
She
animatronics
is
don't really seem
right
to
out
function
there.
properly around adults.
Oh no. She's right
Especially not
there.
around the staff.
Coat hanger. Random ass
The
coat hanger.
animatronics seem to ignore you most of the time, unless you come near them.
Uh-huh.
They just turn their heads and look at you, like as if you just told a bad joke. I don't know.
Why
it's
did
kinda
the Sigma cross the road?
But yeah, we kind of had an accident about a month ago. It seems to have traumatized their systems or something like that.
Oh my god.
Anyway, we replaced the faulty animatronic with
She's
some
out
brand new
for
ones.
my ass, bro.
Yeah, so he's stored
Fuck.
way in the back until we can get someone to fix him. Anyway, if I were you, I'd keep the other ones at a distance and use the doors if you have to. That would be it for now.
Monkey Man?
Have a good night.
Is that the Monkey Man? Monkey Man takes center stage. Oh yeah. Oh no. Is the woman gone? The woman is still there. We got Mr. Monkey Man. We got Mr. Bloodclad Dog. We got Mr. Bombaclad Dog. We got Mrs. Rastaclad Dog. And we got the monkey. The big black monkey. Guys, I hate big black monkeys. They're so black in color. Black boys. The monkey is moving. He's coming for me. The monkey man. So what is he gonna do? What is a monkey man gonna do if he at my door? Is he gonna touch me or something? Huh? Five Nights at Diddy's. Oh, bro, move. Your ass still ain't moving. Fat ass. Like, you don't even jiggle, right? You just fat. Fatty boy. Fatty. Fuck. The monkey man is coming for my ass. Guys, what do I do when a monkey is at my door? Ignore that. That was just my belly rumbling. Cause I am hungry. for this man right here, for the Monkey Man. Oh my god, the Monkey Man is here. Your ass can leave, bro. Don't worry. Leave, my guy. Thanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a 10 dual commandments. 10 dual command number 1. Number 2. Number 4. Blah. Monkey Man. Bro, why is your Rasaklad dog still ain't moving? Shit, man, boring, bro. Bro. Meow, meow. 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 Ooh, ooh, ha ha. Ho, ho. Uh-huh. Still ain't moving. Oh fuck. Oh, that was close. Close. Yeah. Guys, I love monkeys. Oh. 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 Back again at the Diddy party. Imagine if Candy got a low taper fade. Imagine if Cindy got a low taper fade. Move your ass. Sucks. Dude, just summon all the courage you require. Bro, your pants are fire! Fire pants, fire trousers. Sick as hell, my guy. Fuck. That is fucked up. So I heard this game. I heard from someone that Markiplier is in this game. I don't know how though. I don't know how he's in this game. Do I just type Mark or something? Mark? No? Where is this guy? Where do you see Mark? Guys, I do not see Mark. Wasn't it like over here or something? Was it a picture or something? Weird. Oh. Cool! Oh yeah! Another Schoolboys of 09 classic. Now what? We saw the Sad Boy yesterday, so what is this gonna be? Bro. R. Kelly. What is that? Huh? Bro, who's going in femur breaker? The fuck is this? It's fucked up. Fuck's going on? Huh? Oh my god. That is vile. That is vile. Little shit's got crushed. That is vile. Anywho, that's all I'm gonna be for today. See y'all tomorrow, guys. Yeah.